How to fix touchpad not showing up in Device Manager. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix touchpad not showing up in Device Manager. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So head over to the search bar right here, search in here for Device Manager. Open that, and then once you have opened the Device Manager, you should be able to see all the devices that's already in your device. So from in there, you should be able to see this mice and other pointing devices. So as you can see, there's only two right here. Touchpad is already showing. So if you have another touchpad that is not showing, just click on the view button. So click on the view button right here. Then click on show hidden devices. Then as you can see, some devices will appear right here and you should be able to click on that. Then click on update driver if you want in order to update the driver of your device. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix touchpad not showing on Device Manager. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.